Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make your own GIF on Twitter. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So as you can see, here's a mp4 file. So make your mp4 file ready to convert it to a GIF. So open a browser and type mp4 to GIF. And open this website, choose file and select your mp4 file and click on upload video, and then click on convert to GIF, and now right click of this GIF and click on save image as. Save, and after that open your Twitter and click on image, which one you just created, and click on open and click on tweet. And this was how we can make own GIF on Twitter. If you'd like to see more helpful videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.